So films are not just made of images and sound, but also of stories. The art of storytelling involves both cinema and literature and is still one of the most powerful forms of art and entertainment. Films, just like essays and novels, can be read and can be interpreted. Moreover, films begin their journey as screenplays, made of words written on paper. So the encounters between words and images, sentences and scenes, between chapters and sequences do not only take place in films based on books, but also give life to very useful teaching tools for deepening all stages of production. From the trailer to the video essays, we can consider the essential art of filmmaking also as a great tool to analyze stories and to understand how stories are conceived, how stories are made. So book trailers are not just the traditional trailer to promote films, but they are conceived also to promote reading and to enhance the desire to read books.